Hi there! Nowadays, there are tons of earbuds in the market, so it can get very confusing. But today, we have Oppo's newly launched Enco Air 5 Pro, and the price is just 4,999. They offer a bunch of features like ANC, multiple device connectivity, high-res codec support, and so much more. They look very promising, especially for the price. Now, I've been using these earbuds for a couple of days, and yes, we even got a chance to test the ANC on a flight. I'll be sharing all my experiences in detail, so you can ultimately decide if you should buy these or skip these. Starting with the usual drill, the unboxing. So here is the retail packaging. You can see the image of the earbuds right here. LHDC codec support is available. Towards the back, you can see some of its key features. We'll talk about it further, manufacturing details, and the MRP of 7,999. But don't worry, you can get this for just 4,999. So without further ado, let's quickly open it up. So right on the top are the earbuds themselves. Then we have the user manual, 2 extra pair of ear tips of different sizes, and that's it. There's no USB-C charging cable included in the box, but I guess that's fine. Alright, let's have a closer look at the build and design. There you go. So wow, we have this egg-like shape here, Oppo branding right in the front here. It's really nice, matte black finish, soft to touch, and doesn't attract any fingerprint or smudge. It's really nice. Easily fits in your palm. These earbuds weigh just 43 grams. I think that's really impressive. Now at the bottom here, you can spot there is a USB-C port to charge it. There's also a small pairing button on the side here. Now let's open it with one hand and see if you can open it. And yes, you can open the earbuds just with one hand, which is always convenient. It's got a really nice hinge as well. Oh, good. So let's remove the earbuds and have a closer look. And here are the earbuds themselves. Now these two come with matte black finish, giving it a very stealthy look. Buds and stem design, very practical and easy to use. Also, each earbud comes with 3 microphones, helping you for ANC and phone calls. Each earbud weighs just 4.4 grams, so this should be comfortable to be worn for long hours. Really well built, I would say. Now these earbuds come with IP55 rating, so mild splashes and sweat should be fine. But remember, only the earbuds and not the case, so keep that dry and safe. When it comes to codec support, we get SPC, AAC along with that LHDC. LHDC is a low latency audio codec for better audio fidelity. Then we also get Google Fast Pairing. Simply open the lid next to your Android phone and a pairing pop-up should show up. If you don't see it, just press the pairing button. There you go. Click to pair. Once done, download the Hey Melody app from the Play Store or App Store, and the Buds 5 Pro should show up here. Let's talk about the fit and comfort. Well, as you can see, I'm currently wearing both, and they snug in really nicely, blocking most of the passive sound. They're also really light, so you barely feel like you're wearing anything. Something I could wear for hours without any discomfort. However, make sure you wear the right size of ear tips, which makes a huge difference in fit and sound quality. Let's talk about sound quality. So these earbuds come with 12mm titanium coated drivers that provide very impressive audio. When playing music in ultimate sound mode, which is more like balanced mode, I must say it sounds terrific. The clarity is very well maintained, vocals and instrument separation are really crisp, and bass is just perfect. I mean, you can feel the thump, but it doesn't overpower the track. Oppo has tuned these extremely well. Of course, you can also choose other presets if you want to. Plus, you also have an option to custom set the equalizer as per your preference. Now these buds also come with spatial audio. You'll find it under Oppo Alive Audio. You can toggle it on from here. So now you'll feel like the audio is coming from different directions and distances. It's really fun at first, but not something you can keep turned on all the time. It can get noisy after a while, if you know what I mean, but definitely worth giving it a shot. Coming to ANC. So we get 55 decibels of adaptive noise cancellation, which you can enable from the app. By default, it's set to auto. You can adjust the level of ANC manually from high to moderate to low. My suggestion, leave it to auto. It understands the noise levels around you and adjusts it perfectly. But how was the experience? So we tested it on a flight and it did a fab job at cancelling out all the white noise like the engine sound by almost 90%. No disturbances, just clear crisp music at 40,000 feet. Also really happy to share, there was no vacuum effect, which is a huge plus for me. If you're looking for earbuds that have impressive ANC under 5,000, you can definitely consider these. Then they also come with transparency mode, which you can turn on from the app. Now you can be more aware of your surroundings. Alright, we tested these for phone calls as well. Time for a quick demo. So the audio you're hearing right now is being recorded from the mics of the Oppo Enco Air 5 Pro, and this is how you would sound to the other person when on a call. Each earbud comes with 3 microphones, which cancels out all the external noise, making it ideal for phone calls indoors as well as outdoors. However, you guys are the best judge. Write down in the comments and share your feedback with us. Then we also have the usual stuff, tap gestures to control the music, change tracks, pause play, and they work really well. Plus, you can also adjust the volume by running your finger up and down the stem. Trust me, this is such a handy feature to have in your day-to-day life. And yes, of course, you can also custom set each gesture of each earbud separately from the companion app. Then dual device connectivity support is on board, so you can connect 2 phones at the same time or even your laptop and phone at the same time. It makes moving between your daily drivers a lot more seamless. However, remember, when 2 devices are paired at the same time, the battery drain will be a tad faster. Then these earbuds also come with in-ear detection support. So the music pauses when you remove them from your ear and resumes instantly when you put them back. If you find this too finicky, you can disable this feature from the app. For fans of gaming, it comes with 45 milliseconds low latency gaming mode, and you can toggle it on from the app. Frankly, I'm not a hardcore gamer, but it just felt like audio is coming from wired earphones. Absolutely no noticeable delay. We even tested it while watching a movie or TV show. Lip sync and audio were spot on. It's just amazing. Easily, I could recommend you to wear these earbuds on your long flights. Let's have a quick look at the Hey Melody companion app. Now, most of it we have already covered in the video, but still a quick overview. You can see the image of the earbuds, you can see the battery percentage, you can toggle on noise cancellation and transparency mode from here. Device management, you can see both devices that are paired. Oppo Live Audio is spatial audio. Sound Master, which is basically presets and custom set the equalizer. Then you have game mode, you can toggle on and off from here. Then when you go back here, Spotify tab, this is for those who listen to Spotify. You can use that feature. It understands your music pattern and plays music from Spotify. Then you have Sound Space. This is basically background music if you want to listen to when you don't want to listen to music. It's also really relaxing. Find My Earbuds, more settings, auto pause play feature, Windows Swift pair, earbuds fit test, and the alert sound volume. Further down, firmware update, quick guide, and you have earbud controls. This is from where you can custom set the equalizer as well. Overall, the app is really simple and easy to use. Alright, coming to the battery. So we get a 530 mAh battery in the case and 62 mAh battery in each earbud, which would roughly last you for about 7 to 8 hours on a single charge with ANC and about 35 to 38 hours with the case, which I think is really impressive. Also, I must add that those numbers will be a lot more when you don't use ANC. Overall, the earbuds are super solid in the battery department. Alright, final thoughts. Now, if I had to think about the cons, there aren't really any, but yes, I would have loved to see them in more vibrant colors. Currently, they're available in just black and white, which feels so generic. Again, that's just nitpicking. For 4,999, the Enco Air 5 Pro are a master blaster. They sound amazing, they're stellar ANC, especially when you want to use them on a flight. They're light and comfortable, feature-packed, highly recommend earbuds, I would say. In fact, steal for the price. The Oppo Air Enco 5 Pro are already on sale on Flipkart. I'll share the links below of both these color variants in the description. If you'd like to buy one, you should definitely check this one out. So I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, cheers.